Hey everybody, this is Garth Hillman with TCP Incorporated. You can find us on the web at tcpperformance.com. Here today to talk to you a little bit about the Yamaha Rhino Radiator, specifically the 04 to the 07 models. Just kind of give you a little lowdown on the differences between the OEM stock radiator and the triple pass radiator that we build. First of all, I'd like to start by showing you the fan shroud that we build for these, for the stock radiators. We found that if people have, light to moderate cooling issues, they've been able to resolve them with these. We just kind of wanted to show you, we've got another video on YouTube specifically about this shroud if you want to look for it. Just wanted to show you too that it fits our radiator as well as the stock, so if by chance you feel that it might not quite do the job, or that it might do the job, you can buy it, put it on there, give it a shot, and if it doesn't quite do it, then we'll make you a deal on the radiator without the shroud, because that's how we sell them. Is we sell them complete with the shroud, and if somebody's already got one, then we'll work with you on something like that. Just wanted to show you on the stock OEM radiator some of the areas where we felt that it was lacking just a little bit. It's a single pass cross flow design. One of the major problems that they have with it is that they put the inlet, the inlet over here, the outlet here, straight across from each other. That's a bad idea. Reason being is that coolant is going to take the path of least resistance. As it flows across there, it's going to flow across this center section. We didn't really feel that just by increasing the core thickness of the radiator that was going to be enough of a resolve for this, and leaving the inlet and the outlet in the stock locations. So that's why we made it a triple pass. It more utilized the whole core. This is the boss fitting for the fan sending unit, telling the fan when to turn on and off. This core on the stock application is 7/8 of an inch thick, just under an inch. The frame setup here has got dual frames, and we changed that just a little bit. We made it all one piece. I'll show you that when we get to ours. Doesn't have a petcock. We've started doing that on our radiators just so that we had a lot of people request that we put a petcock in there, so if they ever have to drain the system and refill it, it's easier to do. We'll set this off to the side and grab our triple pass and go over some of the things with it. Fan, of course, and the fan shroud that mounts on there to help channel the air completely through the whole core rather than just through the center section there. Also, here's the drain cock that I was talking about. For those of you that might not understand, a triple pass basically means that it takes the coolant through the radiator 3 times. Thus, where they come up with triple pass. The way that we've done this is that we took the inlet, we left it in the stock location so that you'd be able to use your original hose, and you wouldn't have to get another one or for us to supply one, so that they'd still be in the stock location. What we've done is we put this baffle in here. This is where this weld is, and this inlet goes in and then makes a 90-degree turn and goes up into this upper chamber. When it gets up into that upper chamber, it goes across and then drops down, and this is a baffle here which basically keeps the coolant from going on down any farther. Comes across here, drops down, goes back across here, making its 3rd pass, and then coming out the outlet. There's our sending unit bung there for your fan sending unit. This radiator is 1.5 inches thick. It's actually a little more than 1.5 inches. It's like 1.66. we feel that by adding the extra thickness and the triple pass that we've been able to get the maximum efficiency out of this design. This radiator is designed to where it will mount directly into your 04 to 07 Rhino with no modification whatsoever. It's a drop-in fit. This is the frame I was talking about, and we've made all one piece. We did that for two reasons. One, to support the thickness of the extra thickness of the radiator, and two, to actually be able to tie the rest of this frame up on these ears to the tank by welding it there and there. We felt that it made this tab a lot stronger doing that. You have your holes here for your oil coolers. What they use is they use the regular little U-clips that slide on there that are on your original radiator, along with the hardware bolts right on and ready to go. These radiators are pressure tested here when we're finished assembling them at 35 to 40 psi for the period of 1 to 2 hours, and then they're, before they're dried, and painted with our logo and packed for shipping. We offer a 1-year manufacturer warranty on it, pertaining to any manufacturer defect that may appear on the radiator, and we stand behind that warranty 100%. We feel we have a good product and that it's one that's going to last. This billet filler neck that we have here, it accepts the regular stock OEM cap. These do not come with a cap. You use the one off your radiator. We do have caps available with the stock poundage, which is about 16 pounds. We have those available, as well as higher pressure caps. We have a 20 and a 30 pound cap if you're running in a racer application where you're seeing some higher pressures and need that extra pressure, extra poundage there. This radiator will definitely handle that kind of poundage. We are not concerned at all in you running a higher pound cap on this radiator. I think that's about it. We're pretty proud of this radiator. It's done a good job for us so far as keeping people cool. We've had it out there for some time, and we've had really good success with it as far as feedback from people letting us know that it took care of and solved their heating problems. Enjoyed visiting with you. I hope that the things that I've told you have been beneficial. Hope it wasn't a waste of your time. If you have any questions concerning the radiator or any of the products that we sell, you're more than welcome to call. We're here Monday through Friday, 8 to 5 Mountain Time. We're located in Rexburg, Idaho is where we're at. And once again, this is Garth signing off with TCP Incorporated. You can find us at tcpperformance.com. You have a great day. Thanks.